Hey, good morning guys. Captain Shane Jarvis, Sportfish Panama Island Lodge. I'm here today to show you guys how to properly clean a rod and reel after a day's fishing, okay? Basically, all we really do is if your rod's, salty from the day's fishing, is just take a freshwater hose and lightly spray the reel, okay? The base of the reel, the outside, and then also spray the rod. Make sure you get all the guides, especially the tip, all the metal parts, to get that salt water off the rod and reel. It's very important not to spray too hard because you don't want to force any salt that may be on the reel or the seals of the reel down into the reel, okay? Normally what we do here, after we rinse these rods down, is we dry them off with the chamois, okay? So basically just dry it off, put them away, and you're ready to go for the next day.